It's one of the sectoral committees in the RDC, and during our meetings in which they, as a member of the Economic Development Committee, nagsigilan ko dito gahahang, sigilan ko dito tanaw sa ceiling, is because I don't understand the language of the government. But the only thing that strikes me really is that there's so much support coming from the government. Billions and billions and billions of budget. Ikan sa DPWH, DER, DSWD, including DEDAP, and where all this money goes? Until such time that it happened, that one day I visited Kalubian, and then I saw my friend there na diha sa kalsada, kunya nag-inuman may, kunya hangtod na abot na mititog mga gabi, and that was the time that started pouring out their sentiments. It's because since the time I met them when we were still toddlers until this time that I'm already 55 years old, their lives has never changed, despite of the billions of budgets. So that took me quite a while, and then when I came back, I promised that I'm going to visit your place. So I visited Tabaco Leyte. Sitio Binanay, it's a mountainous barangay or sitio. There I saw the place. So to make the long story short, kami diri sa Regional Development Council, sige yung hisgot o 40 million. But why is it? Nangilang kinabuhi, ingon man lang ginapon anak. Where are those millions? At sa ilang lugar, walay politiko na musag ka. When in fact, you know, during election, di ba, magpagwapang mga politiko, joy mo anak mo kanto sa ila. Sila ang mga nasa ubos. During calamities, they would walk 2 hours or 1.5 hours just to get sarbunan, kilos of bugas, noodles, and all those things. Now, because of that, I promised myself, unsaon man nila ko, that I will be able to give an intervention to this group of people. And that's where Sitio Binanay Farmers Association came about. Sa RBC Manggod, namilong table, and sometimes when I first attended, naagi ang director sa DA, naagi ang governor, director sa Regional DSWD, but I don't talk to them because I don't understand their language. Wala ako nga diha sa ilang mangayo, na starting na ako na sila gisiko-siko. So the first project I gave to that sitio was the toilet bowl from the DOH, because kung asa sila mandagan, natural, kumapod-kumudagan. Malukoy ko sa mga babae, tingaling pagpungko na ay masakit. So that was my project. Toilet bowl, I asked for 22 toilet balls from the DOH. Kunya ako sa toilet bowl, kaya kinahanglan pa na amay pipe, na amalay mga, kanang putaw, dapat na amay sink, na amay siminto. So I talked to my good friend who happens to be the DE, district engineer in DPWH in Villaba. That's the time that I was awakened that there are a lot of people behind willing to help their own countrymen. So he donated the rest. So ang mga farmers, ikiglok-lokan to, I was so happy. I was crying deep inside, looking at them that at last, because it really resounds in my ear when Naisi told me, ay salamat sir, ako nagkaapo na lang dyan ko karon, naniguan na ko, wa pa dyan ko kalingkod og siya. See how simple that dream it is. To make the long story short, I ran again to Dole because I don't know how to make an association. Pagbunlog, pag-ato na ako sa Dole, they gave me a list of requirements. Sad to say, this list of requirements, English. Kung saan man natin mo dito sa ilang pag-explain, in English man yung mga constitution and bylaws. And if you don't explain it to them, they would love, no? Nga dili mo explain sa ila. And they are willing to sign, which is the first mistake. Or if there is something that they don't, if there's something that they will sign and they don't understand, that's a crack towards magkabungkag ang grupo. So you can see, okay na ako kinabuhi diri sa bangko, naka-aircon. Muato kag trabaho mo, paggasolina kag 1.5. Usa ka pagod kag bukid. Okay lang pagsaka ang paglusan. Kamao na sila imon. Di ka kamao kung paglusan, di mo kamang baka o muatras baka. So, but then again, the passion is there. I would like to prove myself. And I would like to determine one thing. Kinsa ba dyan ang sayo? Ang tao o ang gobyerno? After several years of helping, correct, both. Gikapoy na ang gobyerno pag pinaghatag. True. Gikapoy na doon ang gobyerno pag pinaghatag. Anyway, now, they might say that I am getting something out of this. It's purely passion. You might not understand it, but that's me. It started in Tabaco, Sitio Binarig. Then I created the Manlawaan Women's Club, a women's workers farmers association. Then the Katmon View Farmers Association, the three in Tabaco. Then Kalubian, Babhas Fisher Folks Association. Then I was connected with John's group. That's in Albuera, Leyte, Dolphins Fisher Folks Association. Just recently, we have created the Lawaan Eastern Samar, Kanusog Fisher Folks Workers Association. And next week, I'm also going to Salcedo Eastern Samar for another Fisher Folks Association. And last week, I was visited by a good friend of mine. He's a son of Mayor of Hinunangan, and he would like as well that there will be an association in Hinunangan, Samar, and a good friend of mine, a lawyer, would like me to visit his. He has a big land there, and then he would like to help these poor farmers. Imuuna mong association, that's in Abuyog, Leyte. And then I have another office space, a manager as well. Nagkatulang siya sa barangay Langit, and then Lakalang, and he met a friend there who asked also his dream, and he would like me to organize also an association. But you know what? One thing is common with all these associations. Although you would agree with me, every in Tabaco, tulungan na sila kasi all in Tabaco, but we have different personalities. Ako rin, ginoo ko. Mauna rin giingon. Romansa mo rin mong usa, lahipon kay stroke ang diri sa usa. You cannot use the same stroke in this association with the other association. Sometimes you have to stand tall, and sometimes you have to go down in order for you to understand them. And of these associations, one thing is common. One thing is common why we are surviving until now. Despite, you know what, sa ilang organization, they have these beckonings also. Pareho lang na sila mga farmers, pareho lang na sila mga pobre, to be direct. And to be honest with you, away-away ni hapon na sila. They also have pride, just like any one of us. And you have to understand that. Again, there's one thing common in all of them. And that is the dream that they will survive and someday they will be able to own and drive a motor. Kung magdato po sila, the first thing that they will buy is motor. Okay, sakyan ko na ang imong motor. You work hard, support the association, paniguro o tanong, all because of the motor. Makapalit gani kang auto, ayaw ko ng auto ha, because you said only motor. Sakyan lang na nato ng motor. Now, nananong na ang trabaho. After all the days of hard work, we found out that there is no market. You could just see binanig. Nananong sila kay nangayo ko na Ferlin, kada Judith ko, itaga ko rin Judith ko, at sabi ano ba ito, karat salad? Pipino! My goodness! What kind of pipino is that? Tinanong na nila. Tanong na nila ang tanong. Because it's not easy to tanong. Kahawan ka pa, mag-ingon-ingon ka pa anak, magkakaparastikos, ipakuran pa sa LGU, kumungangan pa ng flowers at on the stage. Pag-harvest, tag 10 pesos ang kilo. Naapay 2 pesos na karyada gikan sa igbaw nga rin sa ubos, so that makes it 8. Pag-abot pagod nga rin sa ubos, usahay may mamalit nga third, ang sana nga middleman. It really pains me when Noy Jose or Jose Nino siya ang dako dito sa bukid. Taas, Wilbelt, because sigit hinarabaw. He's the strongest. Parang inom. Mahubog kung asa lang maligid niya sa daruhan, tuwa dito matulog. Bantayan sa asawa. That's how strong it is. Because ang binanig is murang father dito, murang ang laki dito ang masunod. Ang mga babae dapat mag-provide mo lighter sa inyo kung gusto ninyo magluto because you need to provide me coffee, you need to provide me food. Masculine dito. And he cried. Kaya ang iya sako, duha ka sako pipino, duha ka sako sa kanibutik sa ato diri. Kuryoso, wa giadto sa middleman. He cried. Isa ko lang po, abot ko diri sa Tacloban, abot ko, dili man ko musag ka nagtugto. It's because makuyapan ko. It's very, when it's hot, you cannot make it. Abot ko nga to alas 8. Ubad me. And he was crying while we're taking the steps, no? Good thing, I have Primera with me. Pag abot dito sa Sampaw, abrihan na akong Primera, wala ang iyang problema. Tagay nito. But you know, a masculine man who used to be porpong is crying. It's because of the hardships in life. And that made me work hard. The more that I kept on visiting DA. Now, when I talk to the governors because of the chamber, I'm actually the one of the board of trustees in the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry in Tacloban, and that gives me the chance to talk to the governor. Ang governor po karon, because in fairness sa governor sa una, iya igsuon, ang belief man ko ni Gugnik sa una, to help the lives of the farmers, dili ko hindi natagaan nagkakusa nga baboy, natagaan sa nga baka. Your life will never improve. Kaya ka na baboy, di mo ko na ibalik yan, either birthday, graduation, fiesta, ano stage. No, mahugin na. So gusto niya to help your life better, and not only your life, including the family, and also the community, tagaan ka dapat, o 15 na anay. Tagaan ka, day-year na 1,545 beds, libre to. The problem is, sometimes these farmers are not ready. They only think of kwarta, they only think of the haring. They fail to realize that after a year, ikaw na ang magtubong sa iyong manok. Di ba hibahin naman nila ang kwarta kung sa may kauno sa manok? And these are not the ordinary chicken, ha? These are not free-range chicken. Maugya po ni ang chicken ni San Miguel, ni Bounty, ni Essentials, na dapat ang hangin, ingon anak na pure. Ang tubig, mineral water. Oh, sometimes we are not ready. That's why I told myself, I'm going to allow myself to be used by these farmer associations. So I go with them. I sleep with them, I laugh with them, I eat with them, so that I would be able to understand as well their language. And as I go along, we crafted some rules in the association. Like for example, and I think these rules that these associations which I mentioned have adopted are not present yet in other associations is this. And I wish you can also do the same. Nag-start naman sila. Like for example, Lawaan is their summer. They just started. I think 3 Saturdays ago pa lang mo, 4. I told them, every time mga tumo sa inyong garden, because they are not farmers. Most of them are fisher folks. They don't know how to ingon anak, but they know how to utod kahoy. Sa ito, ruman mo na ng kahoy, nauman mo. But to grow vegetables, they don't know, which that's not okay. Because they will take good care of that. So I told them, every time you go to garden para maghawan mo, that's times 5 of your attendance. Meaning, the only way, the most scientific way, so far as of now, para magbinahinay mo sa inyong ganansya, is not through the face value. It's not who you are, but through sa imong kugi. Performance, bimo. Okay, so, as long as we go to that, on that particular day sa ila association, that's times 5. Times 5, times 5, times 5. Until I say, stop. Times 1 na lang karon. Okay, naay mo suod. At least, pila na times 5 ang ila, agwat. Ang ila ahead. So that, kung magpinahinay, siyempre, dako ang manawat atong nagsugod. Kisa sa musugod pa lang karon. Okay? Another thing, it's also based on orientation. Dapat, pag nagsnay mo suod, i-orient isa what is the association is all about. It's not because I am the friend of the president, ako ang pare sa presidente, kinukos na akong anak, pag-ingon ni pre, sunod kay dito dili kay mabinahinay na misod ng buwan. Equal ang ano sharing, no. There should be an orientation. Aside from the orientation, the most difficult thing is OJT. Mag-OJT ka pa o 2 weeks. Diha di mo makita kung sa ko'y asa doon kutob ang imo ilog. Okay? Kung sa fisher folks ka, magsanong-sanong ka dito, magwas-was ka sa net. Kung diha ka sa farmer association, magpaluagon ni mo ang garden or magpilang muha kang mga ulod, whatever. For 2 weeks before paning mo mag-visa ng attendance. So because of the attendance, na-level ang playing field. And because of that, Katmon View Farmers Association nakita sa mga dato. Ganang na ay mga tagiyat yuta pero wala na nila i-cultivate. They might as well allow their piece of land to be used by the association. Dili na sila mo gasto. You can just imagine, if I own 10 hectares, ako ang musuhol anak mga tao, asa pa kung mangitag mga tao. Mangitag tao, na mga tao, mga buhang, murag buhang, ibubuhangi. Na musuhol, dili musuhol, para talagang bulaton ng the stakes. Good thing kung makasigurado good ko. Maayo lang ka kung si Madam Auring sa ako. Gilid na makita ko Madam, magtanong ko karon mo sa manipitsay. Sigurado ako kung sa may naadiha sa kapon. Mabuhi man ita ng ako sa association, bahala ng association, lugarin na ako. But life is risk. Going to business is risk. That's why I will allow the association. Kanan, tinapangay, wala ko'y gasto, hatag lang kong bugas, o kung muhatag kong bugas, muhatag kong bulan, pabutangan na ako ni presyo ang bugas, kahit it will form part dito sa imo CBO, capital build-up. Okay? Butangan dito sa iyo, capital build-up. So that when you go out, ikapoy na dun ka, ang imo lang makuha is the CBO. But the monthly and the membership, dili. Dili na di mo makuha. Okay. So see, ang imo 10 hectares na tamnan o corn. Pila na imo gasto? Wala ka ni nag-chismig. And you see, you're so happy. Ang imo 10 hectares, nanupunan niya ang mga corn. Oh, pag-harvest, you get 10%. From the net, and napakaibahin, it's because you are a member of the association. And you are able to allow the others to partake some of your wealth. So daghan na dito, ang problema namo is dili na po namo matos. Dili na po nila miatos. Kaya mga kabo din, imagine na, 100 hectares, imo na kung anong kabo ay kuning unod, it needs machines. That's why I'm challenging DA to provide machines to the association. Okay. That's just a synopsis, no? But I'm telling you, we'll have other time and forum wherein we're gonna be meeting again. But I'm just giving you a hope that for as long as you have this dream, you have to believe in yourself and you have to believe with the power of the association. That the association can live our lives. Or it might start with Langka. Governor said, economies of scale, pinaghanay, pinaluagay dapat. Good afternoon.
Thank you so much, Sir Francisco Barredo from DTI and PCCI. So,